harvest. We've been sitting for the last week and a half due to it raining. It's been raining for a straight week and a half. Now it's nice and sunny out, 82 I believe right now. But tomorrow it's going to be 46 as a high, so there's going to be huge temperature change there. And they're talking for some rain tonight, but we've had the last 2 days of nice drying weather, and hopefully we can dodge the rain and get some really nice, drying weather so we can maybe be going by the weekend, but I doubt it because we've probably gotten 4, 5, 6 inches maybe of rain here the past week. So, but we are going to go out and look at how saturated the fields are. Hopefully they aren't as bad as I think they are, but from the field I checked that we combine corn on, it's pretty bad, and chances of us being in there anytime soon is pretty slim. So hopefully they aren't as bad as we think. So anyways, well, let's go out. I got the drone. We're gonna go fly around and see how much water is standing, and we're gonna check a couple fields here, and I want to see how bad the corn's laying down. We did in the middle of the summer have what we think a brief tornado touch down in the field below us, because it was like when I was sitting out on the porch and I could hear the storm coming in, and it just sounded like something. Immediately when it hit, the wind hit, and then came the rain and thunder and hail and all that, and all the trees in the front yard just bent over, and I flew the drone up the next day and looked at it down there, and it's just one cluster of the field that's down. It's flat on the ground. It kind of looks like a tornado went through there, so it's not much, but I guess we'll see. I'm going to throw the drone up and see how bad that field is down. So anyways, well, let's get going. This one's going to be a little wetter in here. Well, the drone in here is actually really solid. They do snap a little bit, but yeah, these beans are really getting 20% moisture at least. Maybe 18 to 20. So my guess is those beans are probably at like 20%, 18-20% moisture, which we need them down at 13. They have no crunch to them. They're very tender. This field right here, there's water standing in between all the rows, so this one's going to be really wet. That one up there seems to be fine. It's just when you get down into the bottom part, it's when it's going to get sketchy. After looking at that drone footage from the field, that stuff ain't gonna fly for a while. So there was standing water in there. So that can mean two things, really. Number one, which is the worst, that means that there is just too much water and it's just not it's not allowing any of the water to drain. This field is not tiled. For one, none of the fields on the farm are tiled, but this one needs to be tiled but can't be tiled because there's no ditch to tile into. So there's just a bunch of marsh, but half the time that marsh is full of water. This one needs to be dry as well as the field on the other side because it's going to get chopped or it's going to get raked and the stalks are going to get baled. So we cannot make any ruts, because if we make ruts, then the ground isn't level for the rake to go over, and we cannot rake any mud into the bales, because you don't really want that running through your baler, for one, and for two, that dirt can lead to molding and rotting of the straw bales, and you cannot have that. So hopefully that dries out. I think this week that we get, if it really, stays nice, and, if it's like this out, it would be perfect. We'd have this stuff, a lot of this would be dried down in a week, or maybe two. So that's going to wrap today's video up. I'm trying to keep them short so my internet can upload them. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for some more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both Jake Lins. I am thinking about changing my YouTube name. Got any ideas? Throw them in the comments below. I have a couple ideas in mind, but I kind of want to see what you guys think. So throw down some ideas for a YouTube name in the comments, and we'll go at it from there. So hopefully we'll be combining soon. If we start combining over the weekend here, I'll make sure to get a live stream out for you guys, or at least try it. I know I tried one during wheat, and it actually worked out pretty good. I had a few people come on. I did do an Instagram live video that day as well. So if you guys want to tune in for that, I'll let you guys know. I'll just post a quick video and then telling when it is, and then you'll follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and most likely on Instagram I'll let you guys know too. So anyways, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. Talk to you guys later.